Good afternoon, friends. Today we have to discuss the NEET exam 2023 and 2024. This exam, after 12, this exam is a very important for the admission of the MBBS, BMS, BHMS, BDS, and also the veterinary doctor. Okay, so therefore, for this NEET exam, the marking scheme of the NEET exam is about there are the four subjects we have to cover in this NEET exam. First is a physics. That physics it gives the 180 marks. Chemistry it gives the 180 marks. Then biology, botany, and the zoology are the combined subject. It gives the biology, and therefore the botany it gives the 180 marks, and the zoology it gives the 180 marks, and the total marks is 720 marks. Total marks is 720 marks. Okay, the for this your NEET exam it gives the 720 marks exam. Okay, and it gives the time is about the 3 hours 28 minutes. 3 hours 28 minutes for this NEET exam timing. Okay, then secondly that then the subject wise subjects section wise question and the marks. Look at it, there are the four subjects: physics, chemistry, botany, zoology. Okay, look at in the sections. In this physics there are the two sections, section A and section B. It gives the section A, it gives the number of question is 35 and its mark is 140. Mark is 140. And the section B it gives the 15 marks. Section B it gives the 15 question but it gives the 40 marks. But in this section B you have to solving the 15 question, but your 10 question will be considered in the section B. Okay, this is the first subject and it's a two section. And the first section A it gives 35 question, section B 15 questions, and the section A mark is 140 and the section B mark is 40. Okay, then second subject is chemistry. Second subject is chemistry. The chemistry also gives the two section, section A and the section B. The section A it gives the 35 questions and it gives the 140 marks. Then section B it gives the 15 questions and it gives the 40 marks. But in this section B the you are to solving the 15 question but it will be considered the 10 question and it have the mark is 40. Okay, then third subject is botany. Third subject is botany. That botany it have also the two section, that is the section A and the section B. Section A it gives the 35 questions and it have the 140 marks, and the section B it have the 15 question and it gives the 40 marks. But in this section B you have to solving the 15 question but it will be considered the 10 question. Okay, then zoology. Okay, then fourth subject is zoology. It also gives the two section, that is the section A and the section B. Section A it gives the 35 questions and this 35 question it gives the 140 marks of the section A in zoology subject, and the section B it gives the 15 question and it gives the 40 marks. But in this section B you are to solving the 15 question but it will be considered the 10 question, and the total mark of this four subject is about the 720 marks. 720 mark. But in this it gives the 720 mark and the each question, therefore this each question carries the 4 mark. Each question carries the 4 mark. Okay, therefore this is the marking scheme of the NEET exam and it's a timing and the section wise marks of this NEET exam subject. Okay, then nextly that next we have to discuss the NEET exam for the chemistry subject. Okay, NEET exam for the chemistry subject. So look at him, for this chemistry the total mark for the NEET exam is about the 180 marks. Okay, for chemistry subject the total mark for the NEET exam is 180 marks, and the total question asking in NEET exam for the chemistry subject is about the 45 questions. These 45 question you have to solving, but your total number of question is 15. Total number of question is 15 and you have to attempt the 45 questions. You have to attempt the 45 question in the chemistry subject. Okay. Then the chemistry subject, there are the two section in each paper. Section A, it gives the 35 question and it gives the 140 marks. Section B, it gives the 15 question, but lastly we have to know that you have to solving the 15 question, but it will be considered the 10 question, and this 10 question it gives the 40 marks. Okay, so therefore this is the two sections in each paper. Okay, then secondly that each question carries the 4 marks. Each question carries the 4 mark, and the wrong answer deducted the 1 mark for the each question. 1 mark for the each question, and there is a no answer of the question, there is a 0 marks. There is a 0 mark. So this is the chemistry subject patterns. This is the chemistry subject pattern of the marks. And then secondly that nextly the chemistry needs syllabus, it is a based on the physical chemistry, organic chemistry and the inorganic chemistry. Okay, look at it, there are the three subject of the chemistry. This is the branch of the chemistry, that is a physical chemistry, organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. This chapter it will be considered in your NEET syllabus. Okay, then firstly that the physical chemistry, that physical chemistry 16 to 17 question it is asking in NEET exam. It is asking in NEET exam. And the organic chemistry subject, it's 15 to 16 question it is asking in NEET exam. And inorganic chemistries it's 19 to 20 questions it is asking in NEET exam. So this is all about the NEET syllabus, and that NEET syllabus it is a base on the physical chemistry, organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. Okay, so therefore this is the distribution of the NEET syllabus on the which subject, and it gives the how many number of question it is asking on these three subject. Okay, then we have to discuss the first subject, that is a physical chemistry. First subject, that is a physical chemistry. Look at him, there are the 11 chapter. There are the 11 chapter, it is in the physical chemistry. It is in the physical chemistry. Okay, and therefore these questions are the 16 to 17 question. 16 to 17 question. Okay, so look at him, the first topic, that the solid state. First topic is solid state, and this solid state you have to also study it in the 12th. Okay, and therefore on this solid state there are the 2 to 3 question asking on the solid state in the NEET exam. Then secondly that the states of matters. States of matter, that states of matter, that chapter we had to discuss in the 11th. Okay, and therefore the 2 to 3 question it is asking on states of matter in the NEET exam. Then secondly that the thermodynamics, it is also very important topic, that is the thermodynamic. And on this thermodynamic the 1 to 2 question it is asking on this thermodynamic. Secondly that fourth chapter is electrochemistry. That electrochemistry it is also the very important topic in this physical chemistry. There are the two to three questions it is asking on this electrochemistry. Okay, in NEET exam. Then surface chemistry, that surface chemistry also the 1 to 2 question it is asking on the surface chemistry in the NEET exam. Then the solution chapter, that the solution chapter also it gives the 2 to 3 question it is asking on the solution in solution chapter in NEET exam. That the chemical kinetics, in this chemical kinetics we have to discuss the rate of reaction, first order reaction, zero order reaction, pseudo order reaction. Okay, so these types of the rate of reaction we have to consider in this chemical kinetic. And on this chemical kinetic there are the 2 to 3 question it is asking on the chemical kinetics. Secondly that the nuclear chemistry, that nuclear chemistry also the important topic in the physical chemistry. There are the 1 to 2 question it is asking on this chapter, and it is also asking in NEET exam. Then mole concept, atomic structure and ionic equilibrium, this is also the important topic, and that that all the three topics it also asking the 1 to 2 question in the NEET exam. Therefore this is the 11 chapters it will be considered in the physical chemistry syllabus. Okay, then secondly that the organic chemistry. In this organic chemistry there are the 9 chapter we have to consider in the organic chemistry syllabus. Look at him, the first topic that the some basic principle and the technique. Okay, and it have the 1 to 2 question asking on this chapter. Then secondly that hydrocarbons. On this hydrocarbon chapter there are the 4 to 5 questions it is asking on this hydrocarbon. Then haloalkene and the haloarine, it also the 2 to 3 question asking on this chapter. Then alcohol, phenol and ether, it is also the 2 question it is asking on this chapter. Then carbonyl compound, on this carbonyl compound chapter there are the 3 to 2 question, it is a 3 to 4 question it is asking on this carbonyl compound. Then amine also the 2 to 3 question it is asking on this chapter in the NEET exam. Then biomolecule, polymers and the chemistry in everyday life, so these 3 chapter also 2 questions it is asking in the NEET exam. So therefore this is the second subject, that is the organic chemistry, and this subject also consider in the syllabus of the NEET exam of the chemistry subject. Then look at him, the third subject, that is the inorganic chemistry. Third subject, that is the inorganic chemistry. In this inorganic chemistry there are the 7 topics. It will be considered in the syllabus of the chemistry subject for the NEET exam. Okay, look at him, first chapter, that is a chemical bonding. In this chemical bonding there are the 5 to 6 question it is asking on the chemical bonding in NEET exam. Then S block, P block. S block, it also the 2 to 3 question it is asking on S block in NEET exam. P block also the 3 question, it is 3 to 4 question asking in NEET exam. Then D and F block also the 2 to 3 question asking in NEET exam. Then metallurgy, that metallurgy also the 2 to 3 question asking in NEET exam. And then environmental chemistry also the 2 question it is asking in NEET exam. And then coordination chemistry, it gives the 2 to 3 question it is asking in NEET exam for this chapter. So therefore this is all about the NEET syllabus, chemistry NEET syllabus, and it is a base on the physical chemistry, organic chemistry and the inorganic chemistry. On this physical chemistry we have to discuss the 11 chapter in the NEET syllabus, and the organic chemistry it gives the 9 chapter we will study in the study for the NEET exam in chemistry subject. And then in inorganic chemistry there are the 7 topic we have to consider them in the NEET exam syllabus for the chemistry. Okay, then next time we have to discuss and we have to start the chapter number first of the physical chemistry, that is a solid state. Okay, that this topic we have to consider in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.